Hello again, my friends. Welcome back. We are going to do math, but I figured we would start with that teen number song. So think about how it goes. Let's do it together. I hope you're singing at home. Here we go. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. 11 is a 1 and a 1. 12 is a 1 and a 2. 13 is a 1 and a 3. 14 is a 1 and a 4. 15 is a 1 and a 5. 16 is a 1 and a 6. 17 is a 1 and a 7. 18 is a 1 and a 8. 19 is a 1 and a 9. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Numbers in the teens, they start with a 1. All right, I'm going to take a look out the window so we can check the weather. If we were at school, the meteorologist would go to our classroom window and look out and see. Today it looks sunny. Did you know that? You might have already checked. And I'm going to say right now, it's kind of cool. I took Micah to daycare this morning and the weather was feeling a little bit cool. So I think by the afternoon, it's supposed to get warm. So if we were at school, Weather Frog would have on a light jacket, maybe some sunglasses to block his eyes from the sun. But by this afternoon, he would be playing at recess in a short sleeve shirt. So before we get started with our lesson today, parents, I just wanted a little note for you. And I know I do this a lot, but as these things come to my mind, I feel like it's important for you to know. In our routines, like during math, we do everyday counts, calendar math. There are certain things that we practice every single day from the first day of school all the way until the very last day of school. And that's because those routines we want them to become innate in our students' minds, that they don't even have to think about it and they just know it. So things like seasons, the weather, some kind of counting song. So if you're starting to get bored at home and you feel like we're working on the same skills over and over again, or they've got certain things mastered and not others, it will not hurt them to practice using songs on YouTube or using the videos, whatever it is that you want to do to keep them on the up and up with those foundational skills. If we were at school, we would be doing an entire board of different activities, and the kids knew this and worked through it like a well-oiled machine. So money, number recognition, number writing, all those kinds of things we would practice every day. So if you want to keep that in mind for some of your work at home, that'll be awesome. Okay? So today, my friends, I am so excited, and moms and dads, I'm so excited too. We're going to go back and do a survey. So before we did some would you rather questions where it could be one answer or another answer, I decided to pretend that your moms and dads did a survey and that it was going to be about what their favorite fruit was. So we've done some graphing before. We're going to do it today to see what kind of fruit do our moms and dads like the most and which kinds maybe they don't like so much, or we might not even hear them. So of course, I'm just pretending. I don't know your mom's and dad's favorite fruit, but I took a good guess, okay? So I already made a chart. You do not have to do this unless you really, really like graphs and you want to do it with me. So I put some pictures at the bottom. Strawberry, see the strawberry, watermelon, grapes, blueberries. So I don't know if any of these are really your mom's and dad's favorite, but I took a good guess. So we'll see if I am right. So listen for their name. If you're watching, you might see one in there. And I'm going to give a shout out to my girl Harley, my friend. Harley is a student. She lives in Pennsylvania, and I went to high school with her mommy. So Miss Tiara's name is going to be in here too. Miss Tiara, let's see if I get your name right. So Harley, if you're watching, listen closely, okay? So favorite fruit. When I pull out the card, they're all in here, I'm going to mark it with an X, and we're going to see which fruit is the most liked and which fruit is the least liked, okay? So here we go. I'm going to find out the best way to do this so I don't have to keep putting my board down. All right, let me pick a good color that you can see. We'll do this one. All right, here we go. First one up, Miss Erin, and today's Miss Erin's birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Erin. I guess that she would pick strawberries. So I'm going to put an X on strawberries. Okay, there's a lot of names in here. Miss Nikki is grapes. So under the grapes, I'm going to put an X, or above the grapes, I should say. Miss Stephanie is grapes. Mr. Carlos Strawberries. Oh, so we have a tie so far. Miss Ashley is grapes. Bink. Miss Crystal, grapes. Oh my goodness, this is looking a little crazy. It looks like grapes is going to be the winner so far. Miss Danielle, strawberries. Okay, I'm pumping right along. Now, if you were at school and you were doing this by yourself, you would do it the same way. Mr. Steve, blueberries. Haha, so I'm going to put one over here. Keep going. Whoops. Miss Shania, watermelon. So over that W, because that's what I'm using to represent watermelon, I'm going to put that X. These are stuck together too. Miss Kristen, strawberries. I wonder if I'm guessing any moms and dads' fruits right, their favorite fruit. I might be. Miss Gabriella, blueberries. Miss Adriana, watermelon. So got a bunch left. Oh, did I write that one twice? I did. So I'm going to do my vote. I'm going to do watermelon because I wrote the same mommy's name 2 times. Miss Shimea, grapes. So far, if I paused and took a look, a lot of times friends at school would use their math talk and they would say, oh, this one's winning, it's got the most. And blueberries so far has the least. So let's keep going. Miss Anam, watermelon. Mr. Mark, blueberries. Boop. Miss Hannah, watermelon. Miss Cleo, watermelon. Getting down to only 2 left. Miss Rena, watermelon. Uh-oh. I wonder what's going to happen. What's this last one? And it's Miss Tiara. She votes grapes. Hardly is that true? I'm not sure. Okay, my bin is empty. All of my data has been collected. I'm done with those. So now my job is to count. Now I could look and see which one has the most, but a good mathematician would count. So here we go. Let's do strawberries. I'm going to write the number at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Let's do watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm touch counting. That's so important. Watermelon has 7. Grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So close. And then blueberries. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Take a look. Which one has the most? Remember, most is greatest, biggest, largest. We like to substitute in those words sometimes. I hope you said watermelon. So I'm going to put a W there for watermelon. Now, which one has the least? Blueberries has the least. I love all fruit, but I do have to say watermelon is my favorite. So did I guess your mom or dad right? Go ask them. Take a survey. What is their favorite kind of fruit? And you can tell me later on in the week. Okay, so this is a great activity to do. You could go around, we talked about this last time, call your grandma, call your aunt, tell them, I'm doing a survey and I want to know. Doesn't have to be fruit. It could be about anything. Or you could do the would you rather questions. My friends love those. Would you rather swim in a pool or swim at the beach? Would you rather eat donuts or would you rather eat cake? Could be about anything you want. We would have so much fun with this if we were at school. So maybe we'll do some more of this during math this week. So here is my graph about favorite fruit. Moms and dads like watermelon the most. And we had our least amount of votes for blueberries. And that's all I have for you today, my friends. So that should have been easy peasy to watch. If you want to do this by yourself or with your family, you can do that. I'm going to put all of these back. And then maybe another time we'll be able to do the same thing. I made some good guesses today. I hope you had fun with that. All right, my friends, I will see you this afternoon at 1:30 for our class meeting. Today is a phonics day. I'll see you soon. Mwah.